Hi, guys. This is Coach Green Gene, Managing Director of Harmonic Connections Plus, the lead instructor and developer of the 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship, which is a workshop for students from the ages of 12 to 17, where we introduce them to basic construction safety, craft work, and technology. And one of our overarching goals is to show the students self-sustaining skill sets that involve them not only working with their head and their heart, but also their hands. And so we do have an upcoming workshop that is going to be on on Saturday, January 25th. And so I just wanted to let you guys know to register for this particular workshop, you can visit coachgreengene.com for your young person to be a participant of this workshop. And so at this particular time, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm honored to have a guest online with us. It is none other than Matt Walsh. How you doing, Mr. Walsh?
What's up, Eugene?
All right. Well, Matt and I, we work together at Power Construction. And Matt is so kindly to provide us with some of his time on the 25th to give us some instruction in Bluebeam Revu. That is the actual construction software program that we're going to be using for our students to actually engage the professional arena of construction from a technology standpoint. And so I'm just going to ask Matt a couple of questions about the software, and actually ask him to first just start off just letting us know a little bit about himself.
Yeah, so thanks. I'm first really happy to be involved. I'm excited to talk to you guys about the things that we actually use on a job site and in the office, and how actually user-friendly they are. And I use the same programs quite often at home if I'm going to do some kind of work at the house, even if that just means ordering a rug or trying to find a couch for a room. You know, you can take advantage of these simple tools to really make your life easier, you know? So my name's Matt Walsh. I've worked for Power Construction here for about 6 years. I graduated from Purdue about 10 years ago now.
Nice.
10 years ago now.
Nice.
Yeah, so I went to school to be a civil engineer. And graduated with the engineering degree, but then realized the construction side of things was way more fun. So switched over to the construction side and never looked back. What got me into construction in general is basically everything that I was doing as a kid, which was I grew up somewhat out in not in the middle of nowhere, but close to it. And there was a big forest by our house. So me and my brother, a couple of cousins and friends, we spent our entire childhood building tree houses.
Wow, nice.
So that's what all of us went into construction, actually.
Nice.
That whole group of us did. So just because I think we had so much fun with it.
Yeah, I'm glad you touched on that, man, because that's kind of one of our aims is getting kids to back to working with their hands, and just understanding that importance within their development process, and just understanding that they may be needing to use these type of skill sets to help them navigate their professional career as they're seeking out areas where they think they may need to make an impact, or where they want to make an impact in life, something that actually speaks to their heart. So yeah, so you've been using construction, man. You've been doing an amazing job at Power Construction, man. So like I said, I'm glad to really have you here even right now speaking with us. And so yes, you're going to be there with us on Saturday, January 25th, 2020, and you're going to be sharing from the on the Bluebeam Revu software. You mind sharing with everybody the kind of things that we may be touching on?
Absolutely. Sure. Yeah, so we're going to try to take advantage of a real life scenario, and something that's also basic to help introduce the software to you. And we're also going to throw an activity in there for you guys to learn how to use it as well, or it'll be somewhat of a classroom, but very open style. So we'll be walking around helping. I'll be showing on the screen in front of everybody all the basics of the software up front. And you can see on the screen here, this is the sheet we're going to be using, Mr. Johnson's 23rd floor apartment.
Yes, so, Mr. Johnson.
Yeah. We'll be talking about the basics of understanding of this is a floor plan on a drawing. What do these letters mean on the side? What do these numbers mean? How do these dimensions get determined on the side? How do we label rooms? And what do all these symbols mean? You know, and we'll be talking about and this is real life drawing we're looking at here. So it doesn't get more complex than this typically for an architectural floor plan. So we'll talk through all of this. I'm excited for you guys. If you have any questions, definitely throw them at me. But we'll be talking about how to utilize Bluebeam and to find dimensions of things that may not be listed with a dimension there. How do I label this? How do I add notes in here if I wanted to? How do I get the area of this room if I wanted to order carpet or something like that? So we'll be looking at all of these different things that you can do at a basic level. And then the last exercise will be, how do we take these area measurements that we've all made together with computers that you'll be using, and how do we translate that to an actual cost of what could you charge somebody to do this work, or what would somebody have to pay to have hardwood installed in a room or something like that. So we'll be taking it full circle to take you through a real life example and get you familiar with the software that we use.
Amazing, man. I'm looking forward to having a great time, man. And Matt, again, I just wanted to thank you, man, for making yourself available, not only now, but for the 25th, man. And we're going to have a blast. Like you said, everybody's going to be equipped with a computer. They're going to be computer set up for the 3 groups that we're going to be working with. I'm so thankful that Power Construction has invested into our non-for-profit so that we can actually provide this educational forum for our younger generation of emerging professionals, so that they are understanding the various components of construction as they seek to navigate their career path, man. Such good stuff, man.
Yeah, man. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too, man. So, hey, thank you again, man, and hope you have a great rest of your day, man. And
thanks. You too.
We appreciate you, man.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm excited for it.
Yeah, me too, man. Thanks a lot, man. Take care, man.
You too.
All right.